One sec. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. Today I am actually watching my Ford Fusion, and it might rain, but I'm pretty excited. Just doing my I'm pretty excited because today I got a new product which I'm going to show to you guys momentarily. I'm just doing my pre-wash method where I go around the car and spray the bugs and any debris or tar on the car. This bug release helps get in between the paint and the bugs. Also, all those dark marks, it helps get off. But I am pretty excited today because I got a new product, and the new product that I got was this little guy right here. It's an undercarriage sprayer. What that actually is, it goes underneath the car, so it rolls underneath the vehicle, allowing to spray the undercarriage of your car. This could be used for mostly probably trucks or cars. I thought it was a great tool to have in case I hunt and I use the truck for hunting. So when I'm in the woods or in the field, I tend to get mud all under the underbody of the car, and I'm always going underneath the car with the MTM nozzle here, just the short sprayer. This is a disconnect. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, I have my hole set up. This is a real quick Karcher 1700 pressure washer, MTM foam can or MTM gun. This is the stainless steel gun. MTM 40-degree wand bend. I always use the 40-degree nozzle. That's the MTM foam cannon. And then this is the undercarriage sprayer that I also bought off Amazon. All the links to all the stuff that you see, the mop, the buckets, the soaps I use 2 pumps of, for this wash, this car is ceramic coated, so I have 2 pumps of Reset and 2 pumps of watermelon snow foam in my foam cannon. In the bucket here I have 2 ounces of Reset, and actually no, I am trying a new product. My neighbor actually started a car care product line. It's called Spit and Shine, so I'm pretty excited to use this stuff. He sent me a whole bunch of stuff, but this is ceramic shampoo, Spit and Shine. I'll put a link to this stuff. It smells really good, so I'll let you know how it is. It actually foams up super nice. You can see how foamy my bucket is. Here's my wash mop, just for making it easier to wash the car. But yeah, I have done lots of videos on my setups. I run I actually have a leftover filter right here, a RV filter on my water source that just helps filter out the impurities of water, because water can crush the car or can scratch the car, and you don't want to do that when it's been paint corrected. What I do is I just spray the car down with bug release and then go through my wash method. I've made videos of that as well, but let me spray my car down because I actually have the bug release on there, and then I will get this product out. It's pretty cool. It is wheelie based, so it wheels underneath the car, as you can see, tight fit. But this is more or less for trucks or off-road vehicles like ATVs. It comes with these 2 attachments which have disconnects, quick disconnects, and then 4 40-degree sprayers, so it won't harm anything under your car. It's really nice. But like I said, let me rinse my car off real quick, and then I will fire this guy up and show you guys how it works. I have it connected to my, I do not have it connected. Alright guys, so I have it connected to my pressure washer. As you guys can see, it's really easy to, wheel. Actually, a pressure washer there is, but pretty much you can see how much it runs, and it just, yeah, so you guys can see how hardcore that is. But pretty much what it is, it just goes under the body of the car, allowing you to get, use cases would be, yeah, you went through salt can eat at, the bottom of your car, mud, dirt. It just really helps clean the undercarriage of your car. So I would do this if I ever, went out in the rain, just because bad stuff is under your car, or, if your car got dirty, if you went through tar, you went through paint, and you need to wash the bottom of your car off or truck. It also would help get dirt off the bottom of your truck or ATV. Pretty much it just wheels right under. Bottom of the car. It's pretty easy to maneuver as well. Works pretty well. Let's get the back of the car. And this little bend is actually really useful. Might be getting wet. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead and wash the rest of my car. Really neat product. It was only, I believe, $30 on Amazon, and it does a really good job at cleaning the undercarriage of your car. Like I said, you can use it for your truck, your car, anything. And it actually, for those of you that are questioning about low cars, I have my 350R right here. Let me turn on the, it actually fits right under the R, which the R is a pretty low car. I'm not going to turn it on, but I'm just going to give you guys a little, come on now, a little demonstration here that it will fit under the car. Well, the string's not far enough, but you can see it would fit under the R to clean the R. So if you have a low vehicle and you're wondering if it will work, it would work. Nice little touch, but go ahead and see. You can see how powerful it is. If you have like mud caked on there, it would totally work at getting it off. Yeah, so I'm actually pretty excited to use this thing. I've never really been able to clean the undercarriage of my cars, so this little thing will surely help. So when I was shooting, washing my Ford Fusion, it was getting kind of dark, so I just wanted to do a little recap in the daylight using this thing. So got to connect it first. But you can see that it's super powerful, super nice. It's really good at washing the bottom of the car, as I've already said. But I'm going to go ahead and just wash the undercarriage of this thing, just in case the light for my Ford Fusion, if it was too dark to see. But yeah, guys, so you can see it's really easy getting under the car. The wheels work well. It's easy to take apart. It unlatches at these two hinge points. Quick detaches, so it's easy to store, easy to put away. Yeah, it's really nice. Has a nice bend. So at first I didn't know that it went like this. I thought it went like that, but dummy me. So it's pretty much wheels just like this. 4 40-degree nozzles, and it does a great job. But you know, the underneath of a car isn't that dirty, but I mean in the winter if there's salt, you don't want things to corrode. But for a truck, a Polaris like ATV, or you know, anything all-terrain vehicle where it's going to get muddy, it's a nice little tool to have. So I'm glad that I added to my arsenal of utensils, and for 30 bucks I think it was, it's a really fun tool to have. But yeah, guys, link to the description, or in the description will be the link to this guy, where you can buy it off Amazon, and along with all my parts and soaps. And nice little tool to have. I know I will love it with the truck and the General, being able to watch underneath of it after getting it muddy. It also will help if you you know, take your car out in the salt's like super bad for the car. It rusts stuff and eats through stuff. Oh, look at this person getting it. Nice. Yeah, so like I said, it's a nice tool to have, and for only 30 bucks you can't go wrong with it. And it fits under the car. It fit under the R. I don't know if it will fit under the splitter of the R. That might be different, but still getting under there from the side, you can still get under the engine. If you have a slam car, it might not work for you, but for me and my vehicles, the truck, the Fusion, the Explorer, the Taurus, everything, it'll work and get under there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this was informational and helped you guys out. And if you haven't, you know, seen this tool, which I didn't know about it until I was, you know, looking online for something to get under the body of the car, because I just hate using this nozzle and getting up underneath the truck. It never really works out. It's not that good, but this will surely take care of all my problems. Once I get the truck dirty, or the General dirty, I will probably make a video of that if you guys would like to see it. But like I said, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help. So as always, stay tuned for more videos and subscribe. Thanks.